నమస్కార్ సభకు. ఇక్కడ కొంతమంది మన రైతు సోదరులు ఇతర రాష్ట్రాల నుంచి కూడా వచ్చారు. సో వాళ్ళకు కూడా మన తెలుగు అర్థం కాదు. సో నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడాలని అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఇతర రాష్ట్ర ఢిల్లీ, పంజాబ్ నుంచి అక్కడ ఇతర రాష్ట్రాల నుంచి కూడా వచ్చారు. సో ఇట్ గివ్స్ మీ ఇమ్మెన్స్ pride and joy to welcome all of you to this special occasion, the inauguration of the Cull single window Hyderabad 5 regions building, a long awaited milestone for the poultry fraternity of Telangana. I am Vuppala Narasimha, Vice President of Telangana Poultry Federation, and it is both an honor and a privilege to stand before you today. On behalf of the Federation, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to every one of you, farmers, industry leaders, association representatives, pharmaceutical professionals, and dignitaries who have taken time out of your valuable schedules and traveled from across the country to be here. The building is not just a piece of infrastructure, it's a vision turned into reality. It represents the collective strength of Telangana poultry farmers and the unwavering dedication of the Federation leadership. Its strategic location close to the outer ring road, easily accessible from the airport and surrounded by active poultry farmers, make it not just convenient but essential for all the collaborative operations. I would like to take a moment to express our deepest appreciation to the sponsors and supporters who generously and believe in the mission made this building possible. Special thanks to them. Please give them a big round of applause. We are also honored to have distinguished representatives from leading poultry associations across India with us today. Your presence reflects a shared commitment to excellence and development within our industry, and we thank you for the standing with Telangana Poultry Federation. The facility is more than an administrative place, it is platform for opportunity. Instead of hosting events, I request all the poultry delegates and all, please, instead of hosting events in expensive venues, we invite all of you pharmaceutical companies, equipment manufacturers and farmers groups to make use of this world-class facility with ample parking, modern amenities and ideal location. It is a place made by the poultry community. As we look forward, we continue to welcome any supporting association committed to growth and development of Indian poultry sector. Once again, I thank you. Thank you for supporting your presence today. Let us continue our journey together and unity strength. Jai Hind. Yeah, and I thank you for Poultry India team also, please.